you hate me, but yeah, yeah. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm doing mighty fine. Last time I seen you, it's been a long time. Stop smiling at me, get that look.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Naomi Not. Today, as you can tell by the title below, we are going to be styling this wig. This wig is from Sogoodhair. I just want to thank them for sponsoring this video. This is the 14-inch 100% virgin human hair. More details about the hair will be in the description bar below and the following clips that are to come. So I don't want to dwell too much on this hair, but I just want to thank Sogoodhair for the sponsorship and sponsoring this video. This hair is absolutely amazing, and if you guys want to see me style this hair, install it and all that, please do stay and watch the end of the video. Also, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Road to 10k, everybody. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Before I even start laying the wig and styling it, I just want to thank Sogoodhair for sponsoring the video. They sent me their 100% virgin human hair 13 by 14 lace frontal wig. Now, why I love this hair is because it comes already bleached, and I don't know how to bleach my hair personally, so it's great for beginners, people who are not very experienced in, you know, bleaching the wigs and stuff like that. And also it comes pre-plucked, so you don't have to like do it yourself and stuff. It seems like a wig that's going to be very easy to like melt the lace, that what lace effect. And the box did come with some goodies. They came with a bonnet. I absolutely love a bonnet. I've never owned a bonnet before. I was just about to buy a bonnet, and then this came through and I was like, come through. So it came with a bonnet, it came with some pretty beautiful lashes. It also came with 2 elastic bands, extra elastic bands and clips, and it also came with the extra 2 wig caps. So I think that was really great of them. But I guess we can get into the video. So you guys, this is how long the wig is. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna cut the back of the wig because obviously we don't need it. You guys, my skin has been breaking out so bad. It might look like I got clear skin on the camera, but no, nothing's cute, sweetie. Nothing's cute. I'm gonna try the wig on. Like I said, it does come with an elastic band already. I don't know if this, let me try it on and see. And I've been practicing to do I've really been trying to practice to like perfect my wig laying skills, should I say that? I don't know, but okay, it seems to be good, tight. And do you see that, guys? Do you see that the bleached knots really blend in with the skin? I probably should have plucked it a little bit, but it's really okay, to be honest. I don't mind it. And guys, the hair is, it's so soft, you guys. Goodness, this is so nice. I love it so much. Guys, do you see that? Sis can just run her fingers through. I'm gonna go cut the ears, or the section of the ears, before I even try lay this thing down. I'm gonna take my got2b glue and glue this on my forehead. You guys, I really hope this comes out good because I've been practicing, and this is a very nice wig, so I hope I don't mess it up. Oh yeah. I'm a basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry, and while that dries, let's listen to some music. Out of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. You can psych. I can bank on it. You can put 100 bank on it. Hey, do-do-do-do-do-do. Hey. Guys, I'm gonna What should I do? Should I put a second layer? Let me put a second layer. I usually go in like, I put one layer of the glue and then I go in with the freeze spray, but I don't want to use the freeze spray today. So I'll just do 2 layers of this. Hopefully it turns out great. Sometimes we cry. Hey, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Hey, I know that they at the crib going crazy, count bad. Hand it to you, baby. What I need to do is cut this in half. Child, these baby hairs need to stay back. Guys, please look at this hairline. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay the wig before I actually cut the lace. I'm gonna use this. It's pretty dirty. Jeez. Okay, so while I am laying or holding down the wig, let's just style this hair for a moment. So I'm gonna move into straightening in the hair. I really love how it's like folding in, or should it fold out or in? What do you think? I think in. So I'm gonna like, yeah, you get what I'm saying. You get it, you get it, you get it. But and usually when I do these videos, I'm always talking about something, but genuinely guys, I don't know if you guys want to hear the sound of my voice. You know what, actually I want to do this style. Okay you guys, I want to do this type of hairstyle, the half up half down. Even though this is long hair, I'm gonna try to do it on this short hair. You guys, it's working. So I'm gonna clean up the glue with a bit of rubbing alcohol. Let's do baby hairs, and then if I can even do baby hairs. Oh guys, I think I did that. I love this hair so much. It's super soft, it's very easy to comb, very easy to part. The lace comes bleached. Sis, what lace? What lace, honey? What lace? I don't see. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. This hair is absolutely amazing and I love it. And again, I just want to say thank you to Sogoodhair for sponsoring this video. This hair was absolutely amazing. Take some time out to check out that website. All the links will be in the description below. All the links, all the details about this hair will be in the description bar below. Super affordable. It's about $84, which is about like 900 and something pula. Very cheap for 14-inch hair in this country. Very cheap, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I absolutely love this hair. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.